Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not too sure if you knew I was going to start the shopping with the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I know the posting will be very late, but you know, it is what it is, and I'm very busy and that sort of thing. So I just got my package, and actually it was delivered, and my husband was in the shower and they didn't leave it at the door, so I had to go and pick it up on the August weekend, you know, the end of the, more towards the end of the sale kind of thing. So I think I'm going to do a 2-part series or maybe a 3-part series of this Nordstrom anniversary sale for 2021. And the reason is I'm going to return a couple of things, and I wanted to start with that first. I think I clicked the wrong one on my wish list, and I got the MAC lip gloss and I wanted the lipstick set. I did go back and order it, and it said it's completely sold out by the time the end of the day for the July 28th sale. I don't do a lot of shopping, so I don't get to do the shopping sort of thing. So I'm going to return this. The colors look really pretty. I did not open the box. I don't want to ruin it. So it's $25 for 2 lip gloss and the MAC lip gloss, which I really love. I was contemplating on buying this. I don't want it. So this is going to be a return. By the way, what's on my lips is a MAC lipstick called Creme de Nude with the lip pencil in the shade Rose number 4 from Estee Lauder. So just to quickly show that to you, and that's it. So yeah, that's what I have, and I'm going to return the MAC lip gloss. I know this could be handy during the winter season because your lips can get more dry, so you prefer to wear more gloss. But I still have, from my Sephora sale, I bought the Marc Jacob lip gloss, and I haven't gone through that yet, so I'm definitely going to return this. I'm not going to return this, but I'm really excited to show this to you. It's my first time ever buying it, and I think this is going to be perfect for our bathroom. And I usually put scented candles, and I did buy a scented candle. I think I already talked about it. No, I didn't. Hold on a sec. I did another video called sort of like the fashion summer sale purchases, and I showed you this necklace that I got, booties, ankle booties, and well, I think this necklace I showed in another video. And I bought booties, and I'm gonna I shared that with you. It's sort of like a white nude booties, ankle booties, and an H&M dress. And I also ordered this candle, but it took forever to come to me. I think once I ordered it, they said it's sold out, but then they corrected and said, oh no, it's on its way. But it took well over a week to get this from Nordstrom, and I'm not familiar with this, and I'm not gonna run back and grab more and more if I really like this. This is called Maple and Lather name brand, and this is, the scent is Alpine Cedar, and it's a hand poured soy wax candle. I ordered this because it was on sale for a very low price. I don't remember the price. If I can find the link excuse me, if I can find the link, I will put it below. And I ordered it because of the cedar, so I'm really interested in knowing the scent, and I love it. You know what, I have a feeling this went on sale now during the summer because nobody was shopping as much during the winter season, and I have a feeling this is a winter scent. You smell the alpine, sort of like a forest scent, and you smell the cedar, and I love the smell of cedar. So I think this is a beautiful scent that I'm going to use during the summer, or actually the fall and maybe winter season. So I'm glad I got this for the price that I did. The label on the front is almost like a material type, a sticker label. It has quite a bit of texture to it. So I'm happy I got it for the price that I got. I think it was like $16. So I got that, and I forgot to show it in my fashion haul video, the leftover stuff that I got from the Nordstrom sale. And this is not part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So let me just put this away and let's continue on with the Nordstrom anniversary sale. As I was saying, in my bathroom, I wanted a scent in there. So I decided to buy this for the first time ever. I think this is also sold at Sephora. I've been watching other YouTube videos like Marnie, and she's like, oh, this is fantastic. This is a great deal. And I thought, okay, I'll just get it and give it a try. So what it is it's a bottle and it's a diffuser. And I've never had them actually, I've had a diffuser before. I found the scent to be very strong. It filled up our dining room and living room, and I thought it was a bit too strong. But anyways, I decided to give it a try. One is in grapefruit and one is in bamboo, so I'm not too sure about that. I know I have something on my wish list from Sephora, and it's a coconut scent. So I thought I'd show you what the packaging looks like. This is my first time opening it, and there's like a double, it's hard to tell, double covered lid. So there's two of them, and just so you can see what it looks like first looking in. And now I'm going to carefully take this out and show them to you, and it's quite difficult to do. Okay, here's the first one. It's got some of the sticks in here, if you can tell. And let me see if I can take the bottle out without dropping. And it's a lot more difficult than I thought. I should have taken this out before I started filming. So here are the sticks. No scent to them. And here's the bottle. And this scent is bamboo. I really can't smell it right now. Let me throw this box away. It's sealed shut, so I might need some help in opening this. But I think this would look really nice in my bathroom anyways. And just to, for the scent. And I think in the description of the Sephora website, this bottle can last up to 3 months. So I think that's really good. So I got that one, and I'll show you what the other one looks like. So here's the other packaging, and this is what it looks like. This one, no scent to it, and then this one right over here. I think this will look really nice in my bathroom. This is the grapefruit scent, and it's 175 milliliters. This is really big, and it feels very, very heavy. So I'm glad I got them. I can let you know in the future. Just comment below if you want to know how did it work out inside my bathroom. Well, I bought some leggings. I got a lot of suggestions from other fashionistas about this, so I want to show them to you. They are. It's the brand called Zella, and I'm not familiar with it. It's the high-waisted one, pair of leggings, and I purchased two, and I decided to return one. I don't dislike this. I don't like the logo on it from the outside, if I can see it. This is it. I'm not too crazy about the logo showing here, and I know nobody will see it. I just not too crazy about it. And who knows, maybe one day I will get the spandex, the faux leather ones. They are a lot more. This cost $45.90 from $70. And here's the second one, but I'm going to return it. I don't think I need two pairs. Let's see how this goes. I showed in another video a few months back, I got from Walmart some leggings, and I really like them, and I think they're great more for around the home. and I have a cat and she might dig her nails and then puncture holes in it. So these are going to be more careful with it, that I won't wear them for homeware kind of thing with a top or that kind of thing. So this one, I think I'll just not wear them as homeware. So I got those, and I do have more to show you. But you know what? I think I'm going to end this video right here, right now, and post this when I can. And I'm not too sure when you're going to see this, probably in September or end of August. I'm not too sure. But I do have some more purchases, so let me clean this all up and I'll film another video and I'll post everything as soon as I can. It'll be a couple of weeks, or maybe more than 2 weeks, probably 3 or 4 weeks. I know the sale will be over, but it's kind of hard right now with everything that's going on in my life, and I'm super busy. But I'll do another video about the other purchases, and I'm really excited to share them with you, and I hope you enjoyed this. Take care. Bye.